Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial on using the Matplotlib. Now, in the previous video we learned how to manipulate or customize the titles and the labels. In today's video we will learn how to add grid lines. Sometimes you need grid lines in your charts. So you can see here in the previous chart we learned how to create. We have no grids, no vertical or horizontal lines that are going across this chart. So how we can do that? It's pretty easy. Just go and type plt dot grid, and we can even customize the grid, but let's see how this grid looks like by default. And you can see, here we go, the grid lines. Each grid is extending from each number on the X and Y axis. So let's go ahead and customize that. Maybe you want to make it to our liking. So the first thing we can do, maybe color, set that to be green. Why not? Let's see how that looks like. And we have now a green line. All right, what else we can do? We can change line width. So line width, and this will equals to maybe 1. Why not? And let's go ahead and add the line style for the grid. So line style will equal, maybe we want it to be dashed. Let's go ahead and see that. Run. Here it is, dashed green, and let's put this maybe 5 and see the difference. And wow, it's very huge. I don't think this, or there's anyone gonna use this. Very huge and ugly. So let's just keep it at 1. 1 seems to me fine. Yeah, it's very fine actually. So basically that's it. That's how you add a grid line to a chart. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.